friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to sanitize your wooden cutting boards. First, you're going to need some salt. I prefer to use coarse sea salt, so that's what I have in my kitchen, so that's what I'm going to clean my board with. Give it a generous sprinkle, and then from here, you're going to want to take half of a lemon and squeeze all of the juice over your salt, and then your lemon is going to become your little scrubby brush, okay? So take your scrubby lemon, and go ahead and go up and down, left and right, side to side, diagonally, circular motions, be crazy, however you want to clean your board. Now make sure you get the corners, the edges. Mine has a little moat that collects the liquid from like when you're cutting chicken and things like that. So just make sure you get in there really well because wooden cutting boards are porous and you need to sanitize them. And this is how you're going to do it. So go ahead and keep scrubbing. I think I'm going to end up scrubbing for about a minute here. Okay, that's really all you need. And the lemon juice mixed with the salt is going to get in all of those little porous spots and clean your cutting board. Now, when you're all done, take some water and give it a good rinse. The salt may have made a mess around there, so just rinse the front, rinse the back, and then you have yourself a wonderfully sanitized cutting board. Now go ahead and give it a good little dry off with your rag and then set it on the side of your counter there to air dry. Have a great day.